Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Adobe Studio, a drawing animation software for your PC. Download it and install it into your PC. So we will go to our Chrome browser and search here Adobe Studio, download, and open this website anysoftonic.com. Adobe Studio, that's latest version is about 8.2, and Adobe Studio is available for Windows operating system. So bring your imagination to life. And Adobe Studio is perfect for professionals looking for a more efficient alternative to tedious frame-by-frame animation. Whether anything interface a visual content library and powerful features such as bound rigging system, automatic image tracing. These are the features available in Adobe Studio. You can see here the video is created by with the help of Adobe Studio here, and available for PC trial variant. In English variant is equal to 8.2. These are the user reviews you can see here. And after that, alternative of Adobe Studio. So these are Senfig Studio, download here, Toon Boom Studio, download here, Adobe to Dermad Kriya Toon, Pencil, Adobe Gis TV. So these are the alternative of Adobe Studio. So we will download Adobe Studio for our PC from this website, free trial way, in this way. So you can click here and download Adobe Studio. And for PC, these are the, so after that we will download from here and download into our PC. The first download one will be the installer of Adobe Studio, and after that we will install it into our PC. Show here and run it as administrator. Yes. Allow this. Okay. Next, accept, and you can see here the Adobe Studio for your PC has to be downloaded installer and installing the Adobe Studio software for your PC. You can see here the installation process has been started, and after a few minutes it will be installed into your PC. So guys, in this way you can also download and install Adobe Studio for your PC Windows setup in this way. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.